What's up, everybody? This is Sha-Ron on Sha-Ron Max. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. Can you see it? It's that DQ, that Dairy Queen. Hey, man, I went over here and got this it's Turtle Pecan Blizzard. I got a mini. All right, so we're gonna try it out, see what's going on with it. Boy, it is good. For you guys that have not tried the Turtle Pecan Blizzard at Dairy Queen, you missing out. My goodness. I tell you what, you get a little bit of chocolate, caramel. You get some pecans, a little taste of the pecans in there. Oh man, it's a nice blend of everything. Well, that is good. When you get something this good, you know, you gotta eat it slow, don't you? You can't eat it fast. You just want to savor every moment. Boy. That is some good ice cream. Right now, I'm actually waiting my wife and my brother to get back. They went into this little store across the street. I might show it to you guys. Hold on. So you can see. See that little store over there? I got my brother Jacob. We call him Big J. Yeah. There's the Dairy Queen right there. Hey, brother. So you gonna probably be on my channel, cause okay. I got you in the shot. I don't know if you want to be on the shot. Yeah, man. I'm just doing a quick review. I ain't uploaded nothing in a minute, so I better do this quick little review. I don't know why I just ain't had time lately, guys. I've been stopping at quite a bit of places. Got some fire truck action going on right now. But anyway, thought I'd slow down for a minute while the wife in there in the store and Jacob. So I said I'd go and do this quick little review. But DQ's Turtle Pecan Blizzard, man, is very, very good. I really like it. Most of the time when I go to Dairy Queen, all I get is a Blizzard. But my wife got me started on the Chocolate Extreme Blizzard. That's very good too. But sometimes it gets a little too chocolatey for me because I kind of have a tendency to get tired of chocolate. If I eat too much chocolate, I get thirsty and I want water and stuff. So this right here is more mellow, but it's good. So you guys, y'all check it out.
Never go wrong with Dairy Queen, y'all.
Okay, Jake got the burger with the fries and all that good stuff.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Jake. See how it look, guys? Hold on, look at that. See that? Man, bring y'all in close. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Yes, sir.
That's how we doing it. All right, man. This is Sha-Ron and Jacob signing out on Sha-Ron Max. Next time.